Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana Strong!
Unicorn! Mechana Fly!
Komodo! Mechana Gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana Fast!
Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Parrot Island. Animal Mechanical Mission Time! Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
All right.
Yeah!
Your destination is Mechana Parrot Island.
Hey! That's the place with that giant squawking bird.
Squawking? The Mechana parrot does not squawk. She sings a beautiful song.
Well, she used to sing a beautiful song, but there's a problem.
Uh-oh.
She doesn't look very happy.
She's not. The Mechana Parrot doesn't sing anymore, and no one knows why.
Not good.
We have to do something.
Yes, your mission is to help the Mechana Parrot sing again. Mechana, can you do it?
We
Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Parrot Island.
Look, the Mechana parrot.
She doesn't look so good.
She doesn't sound so good.
Let's look for clues to see why she's not singing.
Clues?
Try and see if there's anything unusual around here.
I don't see anything unusual around here.
I hear something unusual.
What are you all looking at? Oh, me. Because I'm so handsome, right? Hey! What are those?
If I am correct, and I always am, these are screw-top sunflower seed shells. Aha! Just as I thought. The parrot's feeding dish is empty.
Maybe she's hungry, and that's why she's not singing.
She's too hungry to sing.
This parrot needs food. We have to find her more sunflower seeds and fast.
Yeah!
Nope. No sunflower seeds around here.
Look! The screw-top sunflowers over there should have plenty of seeds.
Oh, right. I do that.
Yummy! I love sunflower seeds. They're my favorite snack.
But where are the sunflower seeds?
They are hidden behind the screw-tops.
These sunflowers look as sad and droopy as the poor parrot.
Unfortunately, droopy sunflowers cannot make sunflower seeds. They're not healthy enough.
Aw, but I'm hungry. I mean, the Mechana parrot is hungry.
If only there was some way we could make the sunflowers healthy again.
They need to grow nice and strong, like the mighty Sasquatch.
What makes flowers grow?
I know. Water makes flowers grow.
So, we need to water the sunflowers.
Where are we going to get water around here? It's impossible.
Clouds! Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Unicorn is the coolest.
What's she gonna do?
Look! Unicorn is using her magic horn to make it rain.
The sunflower is not growing. Perhaps it needs more than just water.
What else do flowers need to grow?
The sun! Flowers need water and sun.
But now it is too cloudy for the sun to come out.
Watch this!
It's working! The sunflowers are growing!
They should make lots of seeds now.
Good work, Unicorn! Yay! Woo-hoo! Let's get the seeds out. I'm hungry. I mean, the Mechana Parrot is hungry.
If you observe closely, the screw-top sunflowers are screwed shut.
And the seeds are locked inside.
They're hard to open.
We need some kind of tool.
No need for that. It's pounding time!
Sasquatch, bad idea to pound screw-top sunflowers. They're springy.
You know what? You might find this interesting. It's a bad idea to pound screw-top sunflowers. They're springy.
Springy.
How are we going to open the screw tops?
Hey, hoo, ha, hey. I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! No. My rubber ducky, what are you doing in there? Aha! One mighty Mechana screwdriver to the rescue! Yes! Hey! Almost to the rescue. I can't reach.
Animal mechanical team time! Huh.
The sunflower is opening.
The mighty Sasquatch, making it happen!
Don't let go, Sasquatch.
What'd you say?
The seeds are shooting off the island. Quick, catch them.
We're not fast enough.
Is that a challenge? Because animal mechanicals love a challenge.
Mouse!
Mechana fast!
Woohoo! She's fast!
Fast like a rocket!
Great work, Mouse.
We've got the seeds.
Yes! She's singing!
We helped the Mechana Parrot sing again. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Hooray!
Yeah!
Yay!
magic song is unscrewing the rest of the screw-top sunflowers.
The Mechana parrot will have lots of seeds to eat now.
There's even enough for us. Mechana, can we have a sunflower seed snack?
We animal mechanical can.
I love being an animal mechanical.